Disadvantages of lean production. 1. Overemphasis on efficiency and cost reduction in lean production may lead to compromised product quality if not adequately monitored and controlled. 2. Lean production requires significant upfront investments in training, process redesign, and technology implementation, which can be financially burdensome for some organizations. 3. The implementation of lean production may disrupt existing workflows and require a significant amount of time and effort to adapt to new processes, potentially causing temporary productivity decreases. 4. In some cases, lean production may result in increased employee workload and stress if not properly managed, leading to burnout and decreased job satisfaction. 5. Lean production relies heavily on just-in-time, cheap inventory management, leaving organizations vulnerable to supply chain disruptions or unexpected changes in customer demand. 6. The emphasis on waste reduction in lean production can inadvertently lead to underutilization of resources and missed opportunities for innovation and creativity. 7. The lean production approach may not be suitable for industries or products that require high customization or variability, as it prioritizes standardization and uniformity. 8. The implementation of lean production may require a significant cultural shift within the organization, and resistance to change from employees or management can hinder its successful adoption. 9. Lean production's reliance on data-driven decision-making may overlook important qualitative factors and human judgment, potentially leading to suboptimal outcomes. 10. In some cases, lean production may result in reduced job security and increased reliance on temporary or contract workers to accommodate fluctuating demand and production levels. 11. The lean production approach may not be suitable for organizations with complex supply chains or geographically dispersed operations, as coordination and synchronization become more challenging. 12. Lean production's focus on standardization and streamlining may limit the ability to quickly adapt to rapidly changing market conditions or emerging opportunities. 13. The implementation of lean production requires continuous monitoring and adjustment to maintain effectiveness, requiring ongoing investments in time, resources, and management attention. 14. Lean production's emphasis on efficiency may inadvertently overlook the importance of customer satisfaction and the need to address evolving customer preferences and expectations. 15. The lean production approach may create a higher risk of disruptions if there are single points of failure or dependency on a limited number of suppliers or processes. 16. Lean production may place excessive pressure on employees to meet strict efficiency targets, potentially compromising work-life balance and employee well-being. 17. The lean production philosophy may not be suitable for all organizational cultures, and attempts to implement it without proper alignment and buy-in can lead to resistance and implementation challenges. 18. Lean production's relentless focus on waste reduction may limit investments in long-term research and development, hindering innovation and future growth opportunities. 19. The implementation of lean production may require significant training and upskilling of employees, which can be a resource-intensive process for some organizations. 20. Lean production's reliance on standardized processes and tight controls may reduce flexibility and adaptability, limiting the organization's ability to respond to unexpected market or operational changes.